We hope you enjoyed your adventures with curiosity in grade 6. Now, it's time to continue our journey into the ever-evolving world of science. A world full of questions, experiments, and endless wonders waiting to be explored. Have you ever wondered how something as simple as a paper plane connects to the science that powers real airplanes and space rockets? Welcome to Curiosity, where imagination takes flight and science becomes an adventure. The world of science covers everything, small and large, near and far. We may study tiny cells inside a leaf or observe the grand movements of the sun and stars. We may test materials around us or explore how water flows beneath the ground. As you explore this book, notice something special. The page numbers follow the playful flight of a butterfly and the soaring of a paper plane. Just like them, learning takes flight when curiosity leads the way. Did you know? Something as simple as a paper plane inspired real scientific explorations of flight. From early inventors studying bird wings to modern engineers designing aircraft, the dream of flying began with observation and experimentation. Exploration isn't just about discovering facts. Science is a process, a way of thinking that welcomes curiosity, asks questions, and stays open to the unknown. In grade 7, we'll ask deeper questions. How do things work? Why do events happen the way they do? What patterns can we see in nature? To answer these questions, we step out of the book, perhaps even out of the classroom, and experience the world through activities and experiments. These experiences don't just make learning exciting, they help us understand our environment and our place on this planet. Science isn't only about discovery, it's also about responsibility. As young explorers, you'll see how human activities affect the natural world and society. You'll also discover how science can help solve environmental challenges and build a more sustainable future. Next, we explore materials around us. What kind of materials do we need to make a lamp glow? Experiments like this help us classify materials and introduce the fascinating world of metals and nonmetals. Some changes around us can be reversed, others cannot. Batteries run out, ice melts, fruits ripen, rocks break. Some changes happen faster when heated. Observing these changes helps us understand how energy and matter interact in our world. Heat drives many changes. Ice melts, glaciers flow, and the sun's heat evaporates water from seas, forming clouds and rain. Some water trickles underground, connecting the planet in a continuous cycle. As we grow, our bodies change rapidly, especially during middle school. All animals have life processes essential for survival: eating, breathing, circulating nutrients. Plants, need food and oxygen, and over millions of years, life has evolved beautifully to survive in balance. What is time? Clocks tell us hours and minutes, but long ago, humans used shadows to measure time. Light and shadows help us see and understand our world. Even today, observing light, time, and change is the beginning of every scientific discovery. Light and shadows extend beyond our homes. The Earth and Moon can cast shadows, leading to eclipses. Day and night depend on the Earth receiving sunlight, and understanding these movements helps us explore life on our planet. Isn't it amazing that humans can wonder about such phenomena? In the chapters ahead, you'll make observations and perform fun experiments. Even experiments that confirm what we expect can spark new questions, leading to more observations, more experiments, and deeper discoveries. This is how scientists think, always curious, always exploring. Welcome to Happy Exploring. Glowing Star. In school, you usually answer questions, but scientists also ask amazing questions. Your task, given the answers, come up with curious, creative, and fun questions that could lead to them. For example, if the answer is, just make it half, it could respond to. How do we ensure equal shares of cake? My essay is too long. I can't fit this in the envelope. Or even, I cannot dance to such a long song. Now it's your turn. Can you think of interesting questions for these answers? Because the cat's teeth were crooked. Just add some milk. Don't panic. I have my towel. 42. And that's a wrap on Chapter 1, The Ever-Evolving World of Science. Glowing Star. We explored how curiosity sparks discoveries, how science helps us understand changes in materials, living things, and even the universe around us. Remember, science isn't just about answers, it's about asking questions, observing carefully, experimenting, and thinking like a true explorer. So keep wondering, keep experimenting, and let your curiosity take flight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NCERT Quick Summaries for more exciting science adventures. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next chapter.